Okay, good morning. Welcome to Math Ideas number 14. Today we're going to learn about, or review a little bit, I guess, about multiplication. Okay, do you know what multiplication means?
Yeah, it means like 1 times 5.
Okay, that's one thing it could mean. Let's see. What does it mean when I write down 3 times 4?
It means like 3 sets of 4.
Right, exactly right. This means 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 3 sets of 4. Oh, it means 3 sets of 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4, right?
Yeah.
Okay? Daddy needs a little more coffee this morning.
So,
what is 4 plus 4 plus 4?
16.
4 plus 4 is?
8.
And 8 plus 4 is?
12.
12, right. 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. But the interesting thing, did you know this? That this also equals 4 times 3, which is 4 threes. So let's see what that is. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Let's see what that is. Well, 3 plus 3 is?
3 plus 3 is 6.
6. Plus 3, 6 plus 3 is?
9.
And 9 plus 3 is?
12.
12, look at that. So 4 times 3 equals 3 times 4.
Cool.
Cool, I wonder why that's true. Do you have any idea why that's true?
No.
Well, let's look at, one thing we could do is just look at a box. Like this. Okay, so how many rows are there in this box? Rows go this way. How many rows are there?
4. There's 3 rows.
3 rows. So this is row 1, row 2, row 3. And how many boxes does each row have?
3.
How many boxes are in each row?
4.
4, right. So 3 rows, 4 boxes each. Okay, how many columns are there? Columns go down like this.
Yeah, there's 4 columns.
There's 4 columns. Okay, so we got 4 columns. And how many boxes are in each column?
4.
Yeah, count them for me.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, that's a row. There's 4 boxes in a row.
3.
How many boxes are in each column?
3.
3. You're going to do that for now. Okay, so if we're going to count the boxes, we can either say there's 3 times 4, 3 rows, 4 boxes, or we can say there's 4 times 3, right? So if I did 3 rows, 4 boxes, here's each row. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you color in the bottom half of the box with this? Like I'm doing, the bottom half of each box. So go this one next, this one next. Here, hold it like this. Good. Yeah. Good job. Alright. Why don't I do the bottom? Okay. So how many boxes did I color in here? I colored in
4 boxes.
4 boxes in each row times 3, so I colored in 12 boxes. But now when I go the other way, when I color in the top, instead I'm going to fill in the columns. So that's 3, 6, 9, 12. So that's why 4 times 3 equals 3 times 4.
Cool.
Alright, now you ready for some more multiplication?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do 221 times 1. What does 21 times 1 mean?
It means like 1 set of 21.
Okay, it means either 21 sets of 1 or 1 set of 21. So what is 21 times 1?
21 times times 1 is just 21.
Right, very good. Why don't you write that for me? 21 times 1 is just 21. And how about 246 times 1?
It's 246.
Well, so what's the rule about multiplying by 1?
It's just like one more.
246. So the rule for multiplying by 1 is... What do you do when you multiply a number by 1?
Just 1 sec.
So 246 times 1 is?
246.
So any number times 1 is just what?
246.
Any number times 1 is not 246. Any number times 1 is? You need more practice?
Any number times 1 it equals the same number.
Right, any number times 1 equals the same number you started with. Now, there's another special number with multiplication, and that is 0. 53 times 0. What does that mean?
It means like no sets of 53.
No sets of 53. So, what is 53 times 0?
0.
0. What's 1 million times 0?
0.
What's any number times 0?
0.
0. Any number times 0 is 0. And any number times 1 is the number you started out with.
Cool.
Okay, now, what about even more harder multiplication? Okay, we're on Math Project, or Math Ideas 14. I wonder if there's two numbers that when you multiply them together you get 14.
Yeah. Maybe.
Maybe. Can we find two numbers?
Mosquito. Can we find two numbers
That multiply
by 6?
to be 14. You want to take a guess? Two numbers that multiply to be 14. You want to take a guess?
14 times 1.
Oh, 14 times 1. Very good guess. 14 times 1 equals 14. Anything else? Take a guess. What do you want to try after 1?
2.
2. Okay, so let's see if something times 2 equals 14. Okay, does anything times 2 equal 14? Does 4 times 2 equal 14?
So 2, 4, 6, 8. No.
No? Does 10 times 2 equal 14?
10, 6, 8. No, that equals 20.
That equals 20. So I'll write up here. So 4 times 2 was 8. That's too low. 10 times 2 is 20. That's too high. So let's try something in between 4 and 10.
Yeah.
What do you want to try? Try to pick something less than 10.
Let's try 9.
9, okay. I wonder what 9 times 2 equals.
So 9 plus 9 equals 18.
Yeah, no, that's still a little too high. Shoot. Should we try something else?
Well, we could try 8.
Okay. 8 times 2. What does that equal?
16.
16. Oh, shoot. That's still too high. What do you want to try
It
next?
was close.
It's close, yeah.
So we gotta try something too low,
Well,
lower than 16.
we tried 10, we tried 9, we tried 8. What do you want to try next?
4.
Oh, we tried 4 already. You have an itch? So we tried 10, we tried 9, we tried 8. Let's try.
Let's try 3.
We already tried 4, and 4 was too low. So we tried 10, 9, 8. What should we try next?
7.
7. What's 7 times 2?
14.
7 times 2 is 14. Wow, see, when you keep trying, sometimes you find the right answer. Yay!
Cool.
Alright, you want to do one more? You make up a multiplication and then we'll figure it out, and that'll be our last one. What do you want to do? What multiplication do you want to do?
Let's see. Let's see. 7 times 8.
Whoa! 7 times 8. Whoa! Okay, so that's going to be 8 sevens. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. Is that 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 7. Okay, so you know what we can do here to make this a little easier?
What?
Group them in groups of 2. So we have a bunch of 7 plus 7s. What's 7 plus 7?
14.
14. Very good job. So 14 plus 14 plus 14 plus 14. Oh, hey, look! We can group these in groups of 2. We can group here, and we can group here. Am I still on this camera? Yeah. What's 14 plus 14? Do you know? How would you figure 14 plus 14 out?
You do it like 10 plus 4.
Alright, 14 plus 14 is 10 plus 4 plus 10 plus 4. Okay, what's 10 plus 10?
10 plus 7 is 20.
20. What's 4 plus 4?
8.
So what's 14 plus 14?
28.
28. So now we just got to do 28 plus 28. So let's do that up here. 28 plus 28. How are you going to do that?
You're going to write down 20 plus 8.
20 plus 8
And 20 plus 8.
and 20 plus 8. What's that equal to?
20 plus 20 is 40, and
20
8 plus 8 is 16.
Alright, so what is 40 plus 16?
56.
56. Whoa! 7 times 8 is 56.
Wow!
Can you believe you figured that out? That was pretty fun, wasn't it? You like doing multiplication?
Yep.
Okay, good job, honey.